Okay, we're on page 395 in your Go Math books, and today we are talking about finding the area of a regular polygon. Now, a regular polygon just simply means that you have a polygon that has all sides the same and all angles the same. Now, in my drawing, I have done a five-sided polygon, which is a pentagon, and I'm going to put these little hash marks on here so you know that it's a regular polygon. All sides are the same. All angles are the same, even if it doesn't quite look appropriate. And over here, we have a hexagon, which all angles are the same and all sides are the same. And I put those hash marks on there just so you know the drawing may not be perfect, but it's supposed to be a regular polygon. Now, what we have in number 2 is we have a dot in the center of that pentagon. Now, from that dot in the center, they have drawn a triangle, one single triangle, with a base of 6 and a height of 4. So the first thing we need to go back to is we need to go back to our triangle formula. And our triangle formula, simply put, is 1/2 base times height. Now, once we figure out that we can cut something in half, your choice, cut 4 or cut 6 in half. I'm going to cut 6 in half. 3 times 4 is 12. So I have found the area of my triangle to be 12. Now the second step is we have to figure out how many triangles we have in our regular pentagon. So I want to count the triangles that we have. I want to go from every angle. Notice every angle has a line going to the center. And if I count the number of triangles with my pentagon, there's going to be 5 triangles. So if this is 12, oops, let's change it to black. If this is 12, this would be 12, this would be 12, and this would be 12. So if I take the area of that triangle, 12, and I times it by 5, I'm going to get the total area of that pentagon, regular pentagon, to be 60. So I find the triangle. The triangle was 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and then I'm going to multiply it by the number of triangles inside that pentagon. Now, on example number 4, it's the same kind of deal. The base of the triangle is 8, the height is 7, and here is the center of the hexagon. Now, I'm going to use my triangle formula again, and this one is the quick one, 1/2 base times height. So therefore, I can cut something in half. I choose to cut 8 in half. Half of 8 is 4. 7 times 4 is very simply put 28. So I know the area of that triangle is 28. And that triangle that I'm talking about, I'll just shade in here. It's this triangle right here. Now what I have to do is I have to figure out how many triangles are there in this hexagon. Well, I'm going to connect the center to all of the angles, and I'm going to get 6 triangles. And each of the 6 triangles is 28 for its area. So I'm going to take 28, I'm going to multiply it by 6, and 28 times 6 is 168. So I have 28 here, 28 here, 28 here, 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 and here. And basically what I'm doing is I am using what I know about triangles to find the area of a hexagon and a pentagon. And again, remember, we can have a regular pentagon and we can have a regular hexagon. And this is from page 395. Page 395 in your Go Math books.